What if the night sky suddenly came alive with dancing colors, as if the stars themselves were moving? The Aurora Borealis is not just pretty lights. It is the Earth's invisible shield interacting with the sun's energy. In this video, we are going to explore one of the most magical and mysterious natural phenomena on Earth, the Aurora Borealis, or Northern Lights. Many people see it as a beautiful spectacle. But behind those colors is a story of particles, magnets, and energy traveling across space. On this channel, we explain nature calmly and truthfully, without exaggeration or fear. The Northern Lights are a visible connection between the sun and our planet, and they remind us that Earth is alive in ways we often cannot see. Today, you will learn how the aurora forms, why it glows in colors, and why it appears mostly near the poles. Stay until the end to truly understand why the night sky dances. What causes the aurora? The aurora begins with the sun. Our sun constantly emits charged particles known as the solar wind. These particles travel through space and reach Earth, carrying enormous energy. When they encounter Earth's magnetic field, they are guided toward the polar regions. This invisible magnetic shield protects the planet, but also directs the particles into the atmosphere, where the real magic begins. If you never realized the sun and Earth were connected like this, comment what surprised you most. The role of Earth's magnetic field. Earth's magnetic field is like a protective bubble, but it is not uniform. Near the poles, the magnetic lines converge, allowing charged particles from the sun to enter the atmosphere more easily. These particles collide with atoms and molecules in the air, transferring energy. This process releases light, creating the glowing ribbons of the aurora. Nature uses magnetic forces as its brush to paint the sky. If this part amazed you, comment magnetic magic. Why the lights have colors. The colors of the aurora depend on which atoms are hit by the solar particles. Oxygen produces green and red hues, while nitrogen creates blue and purple tones. The altitude also matters. Higher collisions create red and purple, while lower collisions produce green. Every aurora display is unique because of these invisible variables in the atmosphere. Nature mixes light like a painter mixing colors on a canvas. If you didn't know colors came from atoms, comment color science. When and where auroras occur. Auroras are most common near the magnetic poles in places like Norway, Alaska, Canada, and Iceland. They are more frequent during periods of high solar activity when the sun emits more charged particles. The lights are strongest during the dark winter months because night allows them to be seen clearly. Even though the physics is happening all the time, humans can only see the magic under the right conditions. If you want to witness an aurora, comment, "I want to see it." Why auroras move and dance. Auroras appear to dance because the solar wind fluctuates in strength and direction. The magnetic field lines guide the particles in changing paths, creating waves, curtains, and spirals of light. No two displays are the same, and some last only minutes, while others can glow for hours. Nature choreographs these movements with invisible forces that we can barely imagine. If this dancing surprised you, comment Skydance. Impact on Earth and technology while the aurora is beautiful. The same solar particles that create it can disrupt satellites, GPS systems, and power grids. High-energy solar storms can induce currents in electrical systems on Earth, sometimes causing blackouts. The lights are a reminder that nature's beauty and power are connected, and even invisible forces can affect human life. If you didn't know auroras could impact technology, comment hidden power. Can auroras be predicted? Scientists can forecast auroras by monitoring solar activity, sunspots, and solar wind conditions. Specialized satellites measure incoming particles and predict when and where displays will appear. Prediction does not create the light, it simply helps humans witness it. Nature performs, and humans learn the schedule. If you think seeing an aurora is on your bucket list, comment bucket list aurora. The Aurora Borealis is Earth and Sun communicating through energy, light, and magnetism. It is not random. It is a natural display of cosmic forces interacting with our planet. Understanding the aurora allows us to see beauty and science working together in the night sky. If this video helped you understand the Aurora Borealis better, like and subscribe for more calm explanations of natural processes. Comment below which phenomenon you want next, and share this video with someone who loves the night sky. Here we don't just watch the stars, we understand them.